Hi, I'm Brian Henderson with Wash Dry Fold POS. And this video is part 2 of our 3-part series showing how to enable our new online scheduling tool for laundry pickup and delivery that we call MyLaundryOrder.com. This video in particular focuses on how to set up integration with on-demand services such as Uber and DoorDash and many others. So the very first step out of 3 steps is to make sure that you have display on-demand choices turned on. And if you don't see this user interface, please refer to our first video in this 3-part series. But we do need to make sure that display on-demand choices is turned on, and you'll click Save. The next step is to check your email for one that we've sent to you titled Sign Up for Third-Party On-Demand Delivery Options like DoorDash Here. So this gets sent to you when you sign up for MyLaundryOrder.com. And in it, we explained that we connect with the service called Burke, which provides a one-to-many connection with up to 35 different delivery service providers nationwide. So by signing up with them, you only have to create one account with Burke instead of having to create one with all those different services around the nation there. This allows you to take advantage also of Burke's discounted negotiated price with these different delivery services. So it allows for that. And also as new providers become available in your area, Burke will add those with no extra action needed on your part there. These on-demand delivery services like Uber and DoorDash do have a cost, but don't worry though, because when your customer schedules for pickup and delivery with any of these delivery service providers, this system, MyLaundryOrder.com, will allow you to first collect payment from the customer with your merchant account first before Burke charges your credit card on file with them for that same amount. And in this way, you can be sure you've received payment from the customer first before incurring any costs with Burke, who then goes on to pay ultimately Uber or DoorDash. So you'll click on this link here that says link to sign up with Burke. You'll provide a business credit card to have on file with them, and you'll also create a password for yourself to be signed into the Burke dashboard if you ever need to update that credit card on file. So you'll click that, you'll do those steps, hold on to that password that you set for yourself. It's very important. And now I'll show you what that Burke dashboard looks like once you've created that. It looks just like this, and as you create those deliveries through MyLaundryOrder.com and all of that, you'll be able to review the on-demand ones here and see their statuses and all of that. But what I want to show you is right up here in the top right corner, you click this and go to Settings. And this is where you can update your card on file or add additional payment methods if you want to for some redundancy. And then also very important is to go to the Notifications tab and set it up so that it will send you emails if, for example, your payment of your card on file fails, or if it expires, or if there's some other incident with an on-demand delivery service, such as the provider canceled it, or Burke needed to reroute the delivery through a different delivery service provider if there was some situation that occurred. So that is really the 3 steps to set up the on-demand delivery service with MyLaundryOrder.com. Our next video is on how the delivery interface looks and functions from the customer's perspective, from their point of view, what they're going to experience as they sign up for pickup and delivery from your service, whether that involves them scheduling on a route that you service with your own delivery van, or if that's with scheduling with on-demand pickup and delivery services. We focused on making our customer and laundromat attendant interfaces as easy and simple to use as possible. So be sure to watch our next video in the series and to view the product from the laundromat customer's perspective. Thank you.